Top 10 African countries with most handsome men. African countries with most handsome men. Number 10, South Africa. They have handsome men. Number 9, Morocco. They have handsome men. Number 8, Ghana. They have handsome men. Number 7, Eritrea. They have handsome men. Number 6, Mozambique. They have handsome men. Number 5, Congo. They have handsome men. Number 4, Ethiopia. They have handsome men. Number 3, Cape Verde. They have handsome men. Number 2, Nigeria. They have handsome men. So number 1, Somalia. They have handsome men. My friend, welcome to Quick Bets. Wanakupatia odd moja safi, game moja safi, game za kila na mtu wangu. Na pale bana, ukiingia na Quick Bet mtu wangu, yani kuna chance lazima utoke na pesa yako mtu wangu. Yani Quick Bet is the best betting site. Uko wapi? Quick Bet.